What's up, people? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the process of removing and installing an upper front grille in an S550 Mustang. So the steps that you'll see in this video will be completed on LMR's 2015 Mustang GT. We've been rocking the 50th anniversary style grille since we bought the car new in 2014, and we figured it's time to change up the look of the car. So we're going to be installing a GT Performance Pack grille and a gloss black running pony emblem. You will need to remove the front bumper from the car to do this. For more information on how to remove the front bumper, check out the link in the video description. Even though the work is being done on a 2015 Mustang, this procedure will work for all 2015 and newer V6, EcoBoost, and GT Mustangs. So with the front bumper removed from the car, go ahead and set it on top of a workbench. First, we need to remove the bumper cover reinforcement. Release all 6 of the clips with a pry tool. Remove the reinforcement from the bumper and set it aside. Next, release all of the tabs holding the grille to the front bumper. I found that the easiest way is to start in one corner and then work your way to the other side. Once you release a few of the tabs, the grille will separate from the bumper as you remove it. Go ahead and remove the grille from the bumper. Use this opportunity to wipe down the area. Set the bumper down and place some towels on your workbench for protection and to act as a cushion. Place the front bumper face down on the towels. We're installing a GT Performance Pack grille with a gloss black running pony emblem. Align the new grille with the tabs. Carefully engage all of the tabs. Reinstall the plastic reinforcement. Depending on the type of grille, install the correct emblem if it's applicable for what you're doing. Align the emblem and then place it into the grille. Position one of the retainers over the tabs. Put pressure on the front side of the emblem and then use an appropriate socket to push it into place. Be extremely careful when doing this, as the tabs on the emblem can easily break. Make sure the socket is nice and straight whenever you fully seat the retainer. Repeat this for the other 3 retainers. At this time, you can reinstall the front bumper, and after that, you're good to go. Well, like any of our how-to videos, we hope this one has helped you out. For the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference the description or the website. That's all we have for you today, so until we catch you in the next one, for all things S550, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.